sharing recipe of this homemade protein powder not only enhances beauty of your hair, shine, skin, but also give boost to your immunity. Trust me, you will love this, so you must try this. Make this at home for kids and elderlies. This is the best protein powder. You can use this protein powder while making vegetable omelette, chilas, porridge, and when you're making a milkshake, you can just put this. Or you're making a stuffed paranthas, put this in the stuffing. So here is a simple recipe of homemade protein powder. For making it, you have to mix equal amount of all the nuts like almonds, which are so good for cholesterol, blood sugar, brain health, and heart health. Pumpkin seeds, rich in vitamins and minerals like zinc, which helps in wound healing, also help immune system fight virus and bacteria. Cashews, rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, promotes weight loss and heart health. Sunflower seeds helps to lower blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol as it contains vitamin E, magnesium, protein, and rich fatty acids. Fox seeds. This nut is so delicious and rich in nutrients, high in antioxidant qualities. This promote weight loss and have anti-aging properties. Well friends, this unique protein powder is perfect for summers and simple to make. Just dry roast all the nuts and mix all into blender. Churning into a powder. You can store this powder for months. So after grinding till heat is not gone and it comes to normal temperature, let it cool down. And after it is cooled down nicely, close the lid. And you can store this for 2 to 3 months in a refrigerator. When you want to use it and keep it inside the fridge. Normally with my big family here, where I have 2 elderlies and 3 to 4 family members, it can consume within 15 days. So you see what is the consumption in your family and accordingly make the mix. This protein powder is ideal for summers as I have not added the things which are hotty in nature, but all the cooling things I have added in this protein powder. So that's make it perfect for summers as well. And now let's figure out who all can consume this magical powder. This protein powder is not only for the kids but also for elderlies and for adults, of course, especially for the kids and for elderlies who make a lot of fuss for eating. This protein powder is perfect for that fussy category. And now let's move to how you can use this powder. It's not necessary and needed you consume this directly, but you can consume this indirectly. Like you can consume this in milk, cold milk, curd, in porridges. You can use it when you are making chilas. Add 2 spoons of this. And when you are making omelette, you can add this protein powder. When you are making stuffed paranthas, you can add this with your other stuffing. You're making cutlets, you're making some other vegetables, just add this. And this is the best way to consume protein in daily life. Trust me, kids are going to love it. Try this and let me know in comments how you like it. For more such easy recipes, let me know in the comment what next video I should come up with. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay fit with healthy homemade stuff. So friends, I hope you will stop buying protein powder from shops and you will make your own homemade protein powder and enjoy the benefits. Like, share, and follow for more.